Hi everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with the latest Facebook Live class project to share with you. This is a really lovely deep window box with a hook closure, and it opens up to reveal a lovely mini album inside. I've used papers from the Well Groomed collection by Graphic 45 to decorate the project, but in the class you choose your own papers and follow the cutting guide to put the project together. So let me take you through what we've got. So we've got the lovely window box, and the mini album sits inside. The window box has a wrapped cover and closes with a hook lock, so nice flat size, and it measures 7.5 by 8, and it is 2 3/4 inches deep. So the box in itself makes a really nice gift box if you're thinking about Christmas presents at the moment and making handmade gifts. This is a lovely box to put mince pies in, or even a mini advent calendar kit if you wrapped up lots of little presents and pop them into that. So 2 projects in one class really. So that is our window box, and then here is the mini album. It's quite a simple album with this beautiful Boston Terrier on the front. I really wanted to craft with these papers. I love the colours. So, and he really did stand out. He's cut from the 12 by 12 sheet. So the album measures 6 3/4 by 7 1/4, and it's nearly 2 inches deep. And then it has a lovely acetate photo holder on the inside covers, on both of them, and a lift-up pocket that you can pop your ephemera in, and also a tuck spot at the top to be able to pop more under that flap. Closes with a magnet, and then each of the pages has a front fold-out flap with a magnetic closure and a little tuck spot underneath. Pictures can be put on all of the surfaces, and then in the class I'll take you through how to add different elements to the front of each of these fold-out flaps, so that you can custom your album to suit what you're putting in it. Here's my gorgeous Grampy, and we've got a little flip-up photo book here. I've just used the pictures from the paper as my photos, and that closes with a magnet, and then on the inside of the flap I've just got a paperclip holding a picture on, and then an ephemera card tucked into the tuck spot there on the page. There's my grandma with her doggy, and a little ephemera card over here. I've left that one plain, but we'll be adding different elements to the front of each of these in the class. Little tuck spot. I love the papers. And then each of the pages on the back has a large area for a photo. We'll be making a ta-da card, or a pop-up card, as my sister calls it, and that's removable, and it's held in place with an acetate fronted pocket. And then again we've got a magnetic closure and places to pop your pictures. And then another large photo, a little clip here holding that ephemera card in place, and then if we take the paper clip off, just a little holder to be able to tuck things behind on that side. So as I say, in the class, lots of options to decorate these front flaps in different ways and create yourself a really lovely little memory box in our fabulous window box. So I hope you like the project. If you'd like more information about the class or would like to join, follow the link below. There's also a shopping list for the class, and I'll put that link down below too. I hope I've inspired you to be creative and certainly get to use these gorgeous, gorgeous papers. And if you've enjoyed the video, give me the thumbs up. and then subscribe to my channel and you'll be kept up to date with new products and projects as they come out. Thanks for watching.